Hello friends and welcome to my podcast Theories and Bites. So what we are going to do here? Simple. As the name suggests, we will discuss some latest research, scientific news and point of views. जैसे कि आप जानते हो, I make videos about theories. And to make those videos about theories, I do a lot of research work and read a lot. And during that process, many things which I read are interesting but may not be having the length of content to create a video. But that small information is also valuable, that I feel. After all, my channel concept is to spread and gain knowledge. I always feel we have one life and we must not regret after death that I have not explored or taken up that information. Okay, so without wasting time, I'll come to the topic what I have thought that I should discuss today in my podcast. And that is quite interesting topic, I'll say. Recently, Meta, or our own Mr. Zuckerberg, launched a new social media app called Threads. Although when I searched over Play Store for Threads, I found some other threads and I joined into it, and finally then someone told me, okay, this is not the thread, this is the original thread. So I was confused in that. It came into news because it crossed 100 million registrations in just 5 days. And people started hyping it, saying that it's the fastest growing social media platform. Everyone has started comparing that Facebook took 4.5 years to reach this number. But do we forget that it was the time with limited bandwidth of internet and lack of understanding of social media and majorly the connectivity. I still remember when I joined Facebook, it was a time that you cannot go and directly register into Facebook. You need to get an invitation from someone to get registered into Facebook. So that was the time. And even when you register into Facebook, you take months to understand what exactly you can do into that. So that was the time. Maybe the youngsters who are listening to me, you must be thinking that I am joking, but it's the truth. I still remember I was exploring Orkut. There was a social media platform called Orkut at that time. I was still exploring Orkut when I received an invitation for Facebook. And when I joined Facebook, it was something new to me and I was still exploring it. Even posting a picture was not so interesting at that time because most of the people whom you know were not on Facebook. So even you were posting it, you cannot expect that someone will be liking that photo. And today we know that today information flows within seconds, and so does the impact we can see in threads. When Instagram was launched, it took 2.5 years to reach the 100 million numbers. So I do not think it's a big deal. What's your view? Do type in the comment section. And now comes the hottest debate between Elon Musk and Zuckerberg. So Twitter took just 2 years to reach 1 million. But the question is Thread a competition to Twitter? If you ask my point of view, it's not. It's not at all. See, Meta has launched Thread because they understand that Facebook is losing its craze and it's mostly now called a social media of uncles and aunties. But Twitter, almost of same age as Facebook, is still hot between intellectuals and social keepers. In 2020, Facebook's usage among internet users in US declined by 62.3% from 65.3% in 2017. And this is the major reason for Meta to come up with the threads. And as we all know, Zuckerberg is good in copying. Sorry for that, but that's what I learned from watching the movie called The Social Network. So it's obvious he will not go and copy something from Instagram. So who's left? Yes, the Twitter. And when the management changes are on peak, it's a good time to kill the rival. And I think that's what Zuckerberg thought, that it's a good time to launch Threads. But if you ask me as a user, after launch of Thread, I'm spending lesser time on Instagram and almost half on Threads. Because now I understood that whether it's Meta or Twitter, for them, we subscribers are just customers who create content for their product. And by the waste of our time, they make money. So understand and make money for yourself, because time is money. So just do not give away your time for Threads, Insta or Twitter or Facebook, anything. I still feel that Facebook and Instagram are something for entertainment purpose. You will not see some intellectual debates or intellectual comments over there. But yes, Twitter is having its own user base, which is more of an intellectual site and more of a trustworthy subscribers, I'll say. And I still feel that Threads can never be a competition to Twitter. What's your view? Just type in below in the comment section. This podcast is a small section of my channel Theories, where I will be just coming with a quick bites in these podcasts. Hope you will like this podcast and you will be with me on my channel Theories with Himanshu. Till then, bye bye.